Today I'll be painting a blank white flower vase using my signature twisted flower design, and this time I'm going to show you two different versions. Both designs feature my original twisted flower technique, but each one also includes miniature monochrome twisted flower details tucked inside. So before I start this, I might need some special pencils just to do the outline, because right now I'm not too sure what the actual design is going to be. I'm not too sure if I'm going to do my design all around here and leave the bottom empty, or do all of the design here, do one design there, one design there, and one design there, and then there's gaps in between. Or the third option is one large one here and one large one here. But we'll see. Need to go upstairs and get some more. Need to go upstairs and get more equipment. Yeah, so I did have a pencil that had red lead instead of the normal lead color, but it doesn't look like I have that. It's slightly annoying. I think it's something out. So I'm still deciding what to do in regards of the design. I think I want to go with the third option where there's two large flower designs on either side, right? So here and then there. But I don't know if that is the best option, just because if I do that, the amount of detail I'm gonna have to put in there on a surface that is curved may be difficult. Yeah, I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna go with it, improvise it, and yeah, we'll come out with the final result. I'm gonna be using this pencil just to do the outline work.
Burning bridges and falling stars, purple skylines and broken hearts. There ain't no taking that to the moon. Out here trying, but there ain't no room. No good intentions.
It's done, and I've applied it. If I can introduce smaller flowers within, because that is actually my style. I do the large flower, and then within the large flower there are multiple little ones spaced around. However, I'm not too sure if I actually have the size that I need to actually apply those designs within this one. I'm gonna have to go upstairs now and see if I've got that pen size. I don't think so, or I would have brought it downstairs. A little bit frustrating, because the third option would have probably been the best option out of all three. But if that's the case, then I'll just have to go for the second option. Rub this out and then start from the beginning, yeah. Bad news, haven't got the actual pen. So it's just one size smaller than this. Thought I had some upstairs, but obviously I must have used them in my previous life. I'm really playing, yeah. But you know what? I'm still gonna go ahead. What I think I'm gonna do is improvise. Once I've done what I need to do on the big outline, I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna scrape it with a Stanley knife, make it more pointy, and then possibly I can put smaller details in. But we'll see. Maybe it might not even need it, to be honest with you, because sometimes, like, you know, you can have an idea, and once you've got to a certain stage within the process, it feels like maybe I should just keep it as it is and not do too much, because if I go over, then that's where the art piece starts looking a bit messy or a little bit too busy. So I'm just gonna add 3 more here. So I wanna start here with the large one that's popping out. I'm gonna poke out the most out of the 3, and then 1 here. I just wanna fill up the gap, but not too much where it looks a bit too busy, you know? There we go. Then I'll make lines here just for template. You see how it smudges there with the pen? That's what I don't like. It's not even the pen, it's a pencil, and it's doing those things. So just gotta be extra careful when I apply the actual paint. Complete now. I've done this side, and then this was the first sketch that I've created. So now you can see the actual idea coming to life. This is going to be all spaced. I might include certain leaves in this area and then here once I've done both outlines. Now I'm going to do all of this section here and then this area here, let it dry. Once it's dried, I'm going to hit the other side. When that section is done as well, then I'm gonna assess how much more detail I need to put in. Not only that, I do want to apply the smaller flowers within this one, but the tip of this, I think is gonna be too thick. Error there, I don't wanna move it too much. There. So I've dipped the pen and the ink has overloaded on the tip, which has then made it come out too aggressively. Oh gosh. So the first one's done. As you can see, these areas here, this is where the mistake happened. I kind of had to just go along with it just because you can't wipe that. If I wiped that, it would have just smudged that entire way. Okay, so I did a test. I know the test is actually literally on there. I just wanted to see if it was possible to actually apply the smaller flower within the large flower. It is, so the next clip is just going to show the entire process of adding the smaller flowers. I'm gonna just do this part here, maybe add one there, and then do a little bit more details on this section, and this section, that one, and that one, most probably. And then this side is gonna be done. All I need to do now is add the final touches and it's going to be complete. I hope you enjoyed the video, the whole entire art process. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.